How to fix Claude verification code not received. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you have not received the verification code yet, then you can simply wait a few minutes and make sure not to keep sending new code, as too many requests may temporarily block your delivery system. Avoid repeatedly requesting new codes too quickly. And just in case if Claude has confirmed that the email has been sent, then you can simply open your mailbox and then go ahead and check folders such as spam or trash or junk or promotions, as sometimes the email might be sitting there. You can then go ahead and verify your phone number and make sure that you are entering a proper working number and the country code is correct, and you can receive SMS or messages in that particular number. Also, if you are connected to any kind of VPN services, then simply go ahead and disable VPN or proxy, as VPN sometimes trigger security blocks. See if that helps, and if not, then make sure that you are using a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, as some networks block authentication systems. See if your issue is fixed yet, and if not, then you can simply try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart can help you reboot your SMS services, your carrier connection, and network registration. Also, you can check your SMS blocking settings, as sometimes you might have blocked spam filters, spam callers, and SMS filtering apps. See if that helps you in fixing your issue, and if not, then open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Claude, and make sure that the Claude application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update the app, as older versions may have login bugs. And if your issue was not fixed yet, then you can simply try using it in a different device or a different browser. And just in case if it is not fixed yet, then it simply could be that the server is down, or if not, you can also simply try to contact the Claude support. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix Claude verification code not received. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.